In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram account without a phone number. So this process is a little bit tricky, but the key is to use a virtual phone number. And there's many different services out there that you guys could use. For example, TextNow, Google Voice, Hush, Callio, SMS, Bauer. Now, there are a lot of great options, but the one that I personally recommend is Google Voice because that is the most established one. And of course, it is a Google product, so you can go ahead and actually trust it. So the way Google Voice works is that you need to take a pre-existing phone number that you have, then you can go ahead and put it over on Google Voice, and then it is going to give you a brand new virtual phone number, which you could then use in order to create a Telegram account. And if you yourself don't have a phone number, you can go ahead and ask a family member or someone you know who actually does have a phone number. It could be like a close friend, for example, and you could basically tell them that you are going to use their phone number in order to create a Telegram account. So if you haven't already, please make sure to go ahead and create a virtual phone number via Google Voice over here. It is going to walk you through the entire process, and I already did create my virtual phone number. All right, guys, so here I am over on Google Voice, and I have my Google Voice number over here, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy that because we're going to be using this number in order to create the Telegram account. All right, so once you're here in Telegram, you just want to go ahead and log in like you normally would. So you need to make sure that where it says country, it is the correct country. So my virtual phone number is from the United States, so I'm good to go. And then all I need to do is I need to go ahead and then just paste in the phone number like so. And then from there, it is going to send a code over to that phone number, and you can go ahead and access that message via Google Voice. It's basically going to send a code over on Google Voice to your Google Voice account. And then from there, you should be good to go, and you are able to go ahead and create an entire Telegram account without a phone number. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.